Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, hello everyone. And to just my name is Dendi Adi Saputra with name 134621210198. Okay, here I will present my work which is discussing about diseases. Before that, I ask permission please the head of the teaching lecturer, namely Mrs. Dini Nur Arini MPD. Okay, I will start with the presentation. Dry cook diseases. The about of the dry cook is definition of dry cook, symptom of dry cook, how to deal of dry cook, possible to be cured, and medication or prevention. Definition of dry cook. A dry cook is a type of cook which in medical terms is known as a non-productive cook. That is, dry cook is a reflex of the body to expel foreign objects without the help of mucus or phlegm produced by the respiratory system. Symptoms of dry cook. The dominant symptom of a dry cook is the absence of mucus and the airway that comes out when a person coughs. Coughs experienced are also generally very disturbing activities and affect the quality of sleep. Others second that are also experienced in dry cough can vary depending on the underlying disease or condition. This is the symptom can include fever, there is blood that comes out when coughing, shortness of breath, weight loss, exhaustion, decreased appetite, chest pain, neck sweat, and wheezing. How to deal with dry cough? There are several easy ways we can do to overcome a dry cough, namely by 1. Warm wet water. Warm water can help relieve a dry cough and is the simplest method of treatment. 2. Honey. Not only dry cough, honey is also believed by many people to relieve cough with phlegm. 3. Food rich in probiotic. 4. Salt water. And 5. Ginger. The possible to be cured. Dry cough generally go away on their own and do not require special treatment from a doctor, medication, or prevention. The following is a selection of dry cough medications and liquid and tablet from that you can use when you have a dry cough. 1. Celadic antitussive. 2. Vicks Formula 44. 3. Wood antitussive syrup. 4. Synedril DMP syrup. 5. Conidine. 6. Bodric flu and cough. 7. Paramex flu and cough. Okay, well, that's my presentation. If there are shortcomings, please forgive me because I am also an ordinary human where I make mistake. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.